1970 Jaguar X. Price, $42,000. Location, Franklin Square, New York. About this vehicle, driven 71,000 miles. Manual transmission. Exterior color, black. Interior color, tan. Fuel type, petrol. Very good condition. Clear history. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. Seller's description. Two-seater coupe, 71K original miles. Absolutely no rust or rot. Cosmetic restoration needs completion. Comes with new interior kit. Too many new parts to list. I have owned this car for 15 years. Lowballers will be ignored. '67 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, numbers matching. Price, $89,000. Location, Tiffin, Ohio. About this vehicle, driven 85,200 miles. Manual transmission. Exterior color, green. Interior color, white. Fuel type, petrol. This vehicle is paid off. Seller's description. 1967 Corvette Coupe, numbers matching, 300 horsepower, 327.4 speed manual. The 63 is not for sale. Frame off restored about 8 years ago. If you are looking for a super nice looking 67, here it is. Runs and drives like a new 67 Vet. Paint is a 9.5 out of 10 super slick. The price is $89,000. OBO cash talks. Might trade for muscle cars, pro street, pro touring, classic cars with cash difference. Located in Tiffin, Ohio.
Walk around video running. 454 big block. 400 turbo transmission. Runs, drives good. Brakes need adjusted. And needs exhaust. Running open headers right now. Make somebody a nice little project car. There it is. Just needs to be supernatural black.
'67 Chevrolet 4-door Impala Caprice trade sale. Price, $21,500. Location, Tiffin, Ohio. About this vehicle, driven 88,888 miles. Automatic transmission. Exterior color, blue. Interior color, black. Fuel type, petrol. This vehicle is paid off. Seller's description. 1967 Caprice / Impala. Supernatural car that would look good in black, if you know what I mean. 4-door hardtop. This is a running driving project car, not perfect. Has a good running 454 big block Chevy, and it has power steering and power brakes. 400 turbo transmission that works good. It's currently running open headers. I just drove it around the block. The brakes need adjusted before driven much. This would make a great supernatural build. Already has the correct seat upholstery. I was going to build the car, but I have 2 of them, and decided to just do one. Selling this one for $21,500. Or best offer. Currently has the 15-inch spoke wheels on it now. Talks that will trade up or down for classic cars, muscle cars, Chevelle, Nova, Caddy, Challenger, Camaro, Pro Street, Drag, Mustang, or something odd or different. Located in Tiffin, Ohio. 1978 Mini MG MGB. Price, $5,700. Location, Chadds Ford, Pennsylvania. About this vehicle, driven 72,657 miles. Manual transmission. Exterior color, yellow. Interior color, black. Fuel type, petrol. Excellent condition. Clear history. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. Seller's description. Up for sale is my lovely Inca Yellow 1978 MGB. This car has been a delight to own, and of the classic cars that I've owned, this one is by far the most reliable. It starts up on the button every time and hasn't let me down once. I made a few changes and tweaks, including going through all of the coolant hoses in the engine bay and replacing any that looked suspect. I also replaced the engine air filter and replaced the filter housing. It has a brand new Duralast battery. Everything works, no issues to speak of besides some slight oil leakage. But honestly, that's a given with an MG. There is no rust on the rocker panels or floor panels or dog legs. That's a rarity in these cars. You will not find another MGB in this condition at this price. Grab it before springtime comes, and you'll have plenty of drop-top fun this year. $1985 Lincoln Town Car. Price, $3,500. Location, Staten Island, New York. About this vehicle, driven 28,268 miles. Automatic transmission. Exterior color, blue. Interior color, blue. Fuel type, petrol. Good condition. Clear history. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. Seller's description. For sale, 1985 Lincoln Town Car. True mileage unknown. On the dash it say 28K miles. It runs and driver's good, has no mechanical issues, recently changed battery and power steering line. Located Staten Island, New York, 10312.